Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn with Zara. Today we have a big question. Why is junk food bad for our health? Let's find out. What is junk food? Junk food is food that tastes yummy but is not so good for our bodies. It has too much sugar, salt, and unhealthy fat. It's fun to eat sometimes, but eating too much can make us feel blah. How does junk food harm our health? First, too much sugar is equal to energy crash. Sugar gives us energy, but too much can make us super hyper and then really tired. It also hurts our teeth. Second, too much salt. Thirsty and tired. Salty food like chips can make us very thirsty and tired. Too much salt isn't good for our heart either. Third, unhealthy fat is equals to slow and lazy. Junk food can make us feel slow and sleepy. Eating too much can even make us gain unhealthy weight. Healthy food is equal to super strong and smart. But don't worry, eating healthy food like fruits, veggies, and drinking water keeps us strong, happy, and full of energy. Conclusion and fun tip. Junk food is okay once in a while, but eating too much can make us feel tired and sick. So let's choose healthy snacks and keep our bodies happy. What's your favorite healthy snack? Let me know in the comments. See you next time. Goodbye. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.